As a creator and online business owner, one of the top creators that I follow and enjoy consuming content from is Alex Hormozi. Now, with any creator that I'm following, I'm not just consuming their content and the information that they're sharing, but I'm also reverse engineering how they're going about positioning, delivering, and the framework behind their content. To me, one of the best things you can do as a creator is find other creators out there that inspire you so you can follow them, model them, reverse engineer how they're going about positioning and putting out their content, and use that to create your own unique frameworks and your own unique content topics to deliver on yourself. Typically, in order to reverse engineer a creator, you have to go through and consume all that content. And although that's a beneficial process when we're looking at it from both lenses and reverse engineering, it can be a time-consuming process as well. Which is exactly why in this last week, as I've been testing out Claude and its new Cowork feature since it released, one of the first tests that I ran through Cowork was having it reverse engineer Hormozi's top performing content. I created one detailed prompt. I fed Hormozi's content of the last year to Claude and had it not only scan and research his content to then extract the information that I'm looking for and prepare it into a polished presentation that I'm going to share with you here today. Not only is the information that I'm going over super valuable alone in terms of the insights that came from this, but this also provides a simple framework for you creators to follow to use this prompt to reverse engineer any creator that you wish or look up to extract these same insights. And the crazy part is, in less than 30 minutes, it came back with an entire presentation with 10 reoccurring themes ranked by impact and the frequency across his channels, 10 counterintuitive truths, along with 50 of his best YouTube video title templates, including the exact framework behind them and the psychological triggers behind them as well. Here's just a glimpse at what's all within this presentation. So let's start with the prompt here. And again, I'm going to link this document directly in the description below the video here. This will include the complete breakdown of the prompt that you can copy and paste and tweak this however you wish for other creators to use this on, along with the output and the presentation that was generated from Claude itself that I went over here to start the video and we'll come back to. Looking at the prompt here, starting from the top, number one, the objective is to research and analyze the content produced by creator of your choice, in this instance, Alex Hormozi, over the last 12 months, including podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, transcripts, timestamps, etc., and deliver the following structured insights. Focus on themes, counterintuitive insights, and title frameworks that will inspire high-click content and offers. So again, what's really cool about this prompt, this is a very large prompt with multi-steps to it. As we mentioned with Claude Cowork, it has the ability to work through these multi-steps. So part one was the top 10 most important themes. First, identify the top 10 most important themes that reoccur throughout Hormozi's content in the last year. For each of them, very specifically provide a short definition, examples of each, why this theme resonates with this audience, and then rank them from there. Then going into part two, this was kind of the opposite. The top 10 most counterintuitive truths. Identify the top 10 most counterintuitive truths or insights from Hormozi. For each, again, same framework, and what to do in the output. So I'm being very crystal clear in terms of what I wanted to do and what output and format I wanted to come back with. Then we get to part three, and there's some real gold within this. This is essentially where we're having Claude scan and extract 50 real or inspired title templates from Alex Hormozi's actual content, YouTube or podcast, over the last 12 months, and organize them into buckets such as curiosity titles, value-based titles, contrarian titles, list, how-to, offer-driven, and outcome-driven titles. By the end, you'll see at the bottom here, I recapped the deliverables that we'd like to see at the end of this is top 10 themes, examples, and explanations, top 10 counterintuitive truths, and 50 title templates delivered in a slideshow presentation. And we can see here, this is exactly what it came back with. A very professional, well put together presentation that researched exactly what I laid out in the prompt, starting with the executive summary of what is included within this, moving to the top 10 most important themes, a detailed breakdown of 1 through 10, the themes, the actual source of where that was pulled from, why it resonates with his audience, top 10 counterintuitive truths, and Hormozi's insight with each, and the golden title templates here, broken down by a framework. And you can see here, number one, if you identify with this aspiration, please watch this video. If you want 2026 to be the best year of your life, please watch this video. So the value of these frameworks alone is simply gold. Like this, for you as a creator, gives you so much inspiration to come up with new content and videos with that's proven, that you know worked, that you know captured attention, that you know drove clicks, and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. And the other goal of this too is it allows you to still creatively think within how your industry or topic fits into this framework itself. Rather than just asking ChatGPT to give you 10 YouTube video ideas, using a proven framework like this allows you to still be the creative driver behind the direction and topic of the video itself. To me, it's just amazing because we can do this with any creator that we wish, reverse engineer, get insight, and the potential beyond this is so much larger. I've used this to create 20, 40-page slideshows for my private community and private trainings for our clients, and a bunch of other stuff in between that I'll be sharing more of. But for those of you creators here looking to get more inspiration for content ideas, looking for ways to utilize Claude and specifically Cowork, this is a great way to start and see the power behind what Cowork can do when you give it a very clear and detailed prompt. So keeping this video shorter here today, hopefully those of you here watching found some value in how you can utilize this. This is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what it's capable of. And to me, this is a great glimpse into its ability to do multi-step tasks, to do research, to create professional presentations, and to also provide you with insight and knowledge that you wouldn't normally have without having to go through and consume a bunch of content. Instead, have AI scan the content for you and extract the exact insights and knowledge that you're looking to gain. If you got value from this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button before you go. And as always, if you have not yet already, hit that subscribe button before you head out. And to get access to this free prompt, as well as the presentation that we went over here today, to have a copy of each, click the link below in the description. You'll find the Google document with the detailed prompt, as well as the link to download the PDF version of the slideshow at the top of that document. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you back on the next video very soon.